Hello there, how are you doing today? I'm going to show you how I make $538 last week only from the Clickbank. You can see it is the 24/8. Today is, you can see today is 26 August, and if I reload the page, and you can see the last week I made almost $538, and before the last week I made $307, and the previous week I also made the $325, and this week I made almost $798. You can see I made August 24, it is $11.25, and August 23 it is 113, and it is 50, it is 233, it is 130, it is 183, it is 124. So it is very simple to make money online, or you can easily make money from Clickbank. So if you want to learn more about it, you can join my Facebook group. You can see I am reloading, sorry, I am reloading the page. Hold on. My internet connection got disconnected. Hold on. Yes, it is connected again. Let me reload the page. Yes, let me reload the page. Oh, my internet connection is very slow. Okay, it is loading. You can see here is my account. So how I am making this money every week and every month and every day. If you really want to learn about it, you can join my Facebook group. This is my Facebook group, Digital Marketing Lifestyle. And you can also add me as a friend on the Facebook account on your Facebook, and please do subscribe to my channel, because I am going to upload some more useful tutorials how you can make this kind of money from the Clickbanks or the Warrior Plus or from the JVGO, whatever it is. It is really very simple to make money online if you know how this system works. So you have to learn the secrets, you have to know the way. Okay, so if you really interested to make money online, and if you're really interested to make money from your Clickbank account, then you please do join my account, and do join my Facebook as a Facebook friend, and join my Facebook group. Also, I have launched a short Facebook course, a course on affiliate marketing, how you can promote affiliate links uh, without getting banned from the Google ads, without getting banned from the Facebook ads. It is a very cheap course. You can see it is, I really want to help you, but I'm spending some time to make this course. That's why I'm charging a little bit amount. You can see $1 50 cent. You can buy this course and you can get instant access to the course. So I'm ending up this tutorial here, but I am adding this course link, and my profile link, also this group link uh, under the video. You may I mean the description of this video. So you just go to the description of this video and click on the link, so you can find all these group links and these course link. So I'm ending up this tutorial here. Thank you. Goodbye.